Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about how to add waste to a takeoff in Excel. This works really well if you're working on a takeoff for concrete, also carpet, drywall, paint, roofing, excavation, anything that has some factor of waste. So let's get started. So here on the screen, I've got a simple concrete takeoff. It looks like we've got some spot footings, maybe some continuous footings. First thing we want to do is just kind of double check our calculations here. So it looks like quantity times length times width times height divided by 27 because we're going from feet to cubic yards gets us our net cubic yardage for these spot footings, perfect. And then also the same calculation for our continuous footings, perfect. So what we want to do here is go into this cell H4. We're going to press equals. We're going to shift over to the left, press the left arrow key for that net cubic yardage. We're going to press Shift 8 to get that asterisk to multiply. Then we're going to open parenthesis, and then we're going to press 1 plus, and then we're going to press the arrow key and get over to our waste factor. Concrete traditionally has a waste factor of about 10%, especially areas with a wide um, surface area where you have to do a lot of screeding and finishing. Um, some people get away with 5% for smaller exposed surface area, such as concrete and columns. But for our purposes today, we're just going to roll with 10%. So um, G4 times 1 plus L3, which is our waste. We're going to close parenthesis and press enter. And that should be um, 1.48 plus 10%, which gives us 1.63. Now the important step here is we're going to go over into the formula bar. We're going to highlight L3 and we're going to press F4. And so L3 becomes $L, $3, otherwise known as an absolute value in Excel. We're going to press enter. And now what we can do is we can drag this down, and as we drag it down, this L4 does not go down with us. And so actually, if we remove this, I can even show you. Let's see. So if I drag this down and press Control D, um, that red cell is not staying in that 10%, and it's giving us incorrect quantities. And so this one's correct, and then as soon as we go down a cell, um, that the next one below is incorrect. And so what we've got to do is convert this to an absolute value so it stays where we want it to stay. Um, F4, enter. We scroll down, so just highlight and then press Control D, and there we go. And now if we click on this formula bar, it's spot footing 5 times 1 plus 10%, which is what we want. And now what we can do is we can go in cell H7, Control Copy. We can highlight these two cells, H9 and H10, Control V. It'll give us the exact formula that we want. We can even, there we go. Great. And the last step is to add them all together. And so there's a few ways to do this. You can press equals SUM, which is just a sum function. The shortcut is to press and hold Alt equals. And then we just scroll up to the very top and press enter. And now we have 57.9 cubic yards of concrete after we've included waste. And that's all I've got. Thank you so much.